So hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I just want to share my worst experience in Manila, and I commute from my place to Makati, and I used the MRT, and that was worst experience that I had. I decided to use MRT because usually there is a very heavy traffic in EDSA. So I tried to use MRT instead of using the bus, but unfortunately it was rush hour of MRT, and I haven't experienced that one. So please watch my video so you know what I experienced in MRT. So check it out. The EDSA already experienced heavy traffic. Instead of using EDSA, I decided to go to the MRT. You see the video that there is already line outside of the station. The guard restrict the people who can enter inside the station because there are too much people. And the train is approaching to the Magallanes station. Sorry, I was not able to record video inside the train, but it was already almost 3 to 4 train, and they just passed by because it doesn't fit to us. Finally, there is a chance to get into, but it was so difficult to get into because they're already full pack, and the people try to push up people inside. It was very hard for me. I finally stayed inside the train, but it was so uncomfortable because someone supported me and I supported someone to just stand up. Look at my face, diba? It depends on you if you choose EDSA or MRT. So I was able to record this video because I was holding the GoPro. Personally, I prefer the bus stuck in the heavy traffic jam compared to the stuck in the MRT. Yeah, it's faster, but I don't want to experience this one. It's worst. Look at the outside, there's also heavy traffic jam. When we were arrived to the next station, there was no guard guarding the station inside, so there was no rules. So they didn't follow the line, so they just pushed the people tried to get into the train, and then the people inside the train was shouting that there's no space, there's no space. This is chaos. This is really chaos. There's no rules. They don't care about other people's. So I don't want to experience this. So when you travel, in the Philippines, especially people from the outside the country. Please try to use another common transport like I recommend the Grab taxi or Angkas to commute smoothly so that you don't waste and you don't get tired. But it was my good experience, and I learned it from my mistake that I should not use MRT, especially in the peak hour.
Parahanin lang po ito ng pasero lalabas.
Wait lang po. Bababa po. Wait lang po. Excuse po. O, diba? Mahirap talaga magsakay ng MRT para. So, bad experience ako. Kasi siguro bad choice yung pag sa yung peak hour, no? Wala talagang rules. Diba? Nakita mo yan? Wala talaga, mahirap mag-commute. So, mabuti naman hindi ako taga Manila. Alam mo yon, mahirap talaga yung mga buhay sa Manila. Especially yung mga commuter na sa MRT na, diba, yung naka Makati, from Makati to QC, ang hirap talaga mag-commute. So, pero ayan, at least I got experience na MRT na peak hour. So as in, mahaba talagang pila. So I do not recommend travelers to use this one kasi ang hirap. Thank you.